so this is section 8.4. Determinants. So the determinant of a matrix is just another operation that we do, and we're going to end up using determinants to find inverses of matrices, and we'll use determinants. There's a way that we can use determinants to solve, instead of doing the row operations, to solve a system of equations with matrices. We can use determinants, and it simplifies our work by a lot. So that's two of the ways that we're going to use determinants. So first off, determinants. Max. Determinants are only defined for square matrices. So we can only find determinants of square matrices. So if you try to find the determinant of any other kind of matrix, the process that we talk about today will only work for a 2 by 2 matrix. If you put it in your calculator and try to find a determinant, it's going to give you an error. And by square matrix, I mean 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, etc. So matrix has to be square to find a determinant. Or a 2 by 2 matrix, very easy. We're going to say that A is the square matrix A, B, C, D. We're going to write the determinant of A. You see it written like this, or you see it written, it looks like the absolute value. Determinant of A, both of these symbols mean the determinant of A. To find our determinant, so these straight brackets, all three of these ways mean determinant. To find the determinant of a square matrix, it's just A, D minus BC. We multiply these two, multiply those two, and subtract, and we're set. The determinant is going to give us, if our matrix is filled with numbers, the determinant is just going to give us a real number. So for a 2 by 2 matrix, this is how we find the determinant. That's all there is to it. For a 3 by 3 or 4 by 4, the process gets a little bit more involved. For a 3 by 3, it's not too difficult. If you go further in math, there are some things that we do with vectors that you have to use a determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. Not difficult, but we're going to use a calculator for 3 by 3 or bigger. So all I want to do today is show you an example of finding a 2 by 2 determinant. I'll show you how to find the determinant in our calculator, and then we're set. So again, our symbol for determinant is this, the DET means determinant, the absolute value around the name of the matrix, or these straight brackets around the elements of the matrix. So an example of a 2 by 2 matrix, A equals -6, 2, 7, 1. And we want to find the determinant. And I'm just going to write out all of our symbols. The determinant is -6 times 1 minus 7 times 2. So that's just -6 minus 14 equals negative 20. That's all there is to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. Pretty easy, right? We'll use determinants, we'll apply them to finding other things in later sections. For this section, all we're going to do is practice on finding them. So for a 3 by 3 matrix, and you can also do this in your calculator to check your work here, but for a 2 by 2 matrix, it's so easy to do that it shouldn't be that difficult. For a 3 by 3 matrix, we're going to use our calculator. So let me pull that up. I have the calculator fired up here. I'm just going to put a 3 by 3 matrix in the calculator, and we'll find a determinant. So we're going to put in, we'll edit A, and I'm going to put 2, negative 1, whoops, I need to get it 3 by 3 first, got ahead of myself. 2, negative 1, 5, then I'm going to put in this row 8, negative 3, 2. And then 1, negative 2, and 3. So there's my matrix. Now I'm going to find the determinant, so let me quit out of here. I'm going to go back to my matrix menu, and I'm going to go over to math. The first one is the determinant. So I hit determinant, and I'm going to go and grab my matrix A and hit enter, and my determinant is negative 53. So to find the determinant, I just put it in my calculator, use the matrix in the matrix menu in the math column. It's the first one for determinant. And that's all I have to do to find the determinant of a 3 by 3, any square matrix, 2 by 2, but it's faster to find the determinant of a 2 by 2 by hand than it is even to type it into your calculator. Then you put in the, right, so I got the determinant there, and then I did second matrix, and I selected matrix A, and then hit enter again. Any questions on that? Okay, that's all we're doing today. So the homework should be even easier than last night's homework. And I'm sorry, I said this was section 8.4. It's actually, no, it is section 8.4. I'm sorry, it is section 8.4. We switched them around. We're going to do 8.3 on Monday, so we switched 2 around. So this is, so I wrote the wrong page number here. No, I was right. I'm sorry. Good thing it's Friday. There you go. That is the correct assignment.